Hello traders. Today is the 26th of January 2011, and happy trading to you all. We are now looking at the Euro USD on the hourly chart. As you know already, we have been looking for opportunity to sell the Euro USD since last week, which means we are not prepared to take any bullish swing trade at this point in time. We will not take any bullish swing trade regarding the Dow Jones, the Nasdaq, the Australian dollar, US dollar currency pair, or the currency that are positively correlated to the Euro USD. We are not prepared to take any bullish swing trade at all, because we are bearish towards the Euro USD, bearish towards all the major indices, bearish towards all the stock. We close all our swing trading position, the bullish swing trade position completely. We are now busy day trading, following the price, the number one indicator. When we are day trading, okay, we will follow the price. If you look carefully here on this hourly chart, yesterday was a sell down, buy. Okay, you sell when you are day trading. You can perfectly sell and buy. Okay, when we are swing trading, we want to buy and remain in the trade for 1 or 2 days, even 5 days, sometimes even longer. Okay, so what I'm going to do now on this hourly chart of the Euro USD, I'll draw a trend line. Okay, you can see there, we follow this trend line here. The price was in a clear-cut uptrend. Okay, see, it's going up, so you can perfectly swing trade if you want to during that time. Okay, so because when I start trading first, there are times when other people try to assist me, and they tell me, okay, we are bearish, we are bullish, and I will go and buy because they say they are bullish, or they will say they are bearish, and I'll go and sell, and I get into trouble. Okay, but you have to understand that as a trader, you need to be flexible. Okay, so the best time to swing trade, if you want to buy for swing trading, like I say 100 times, you need to follow the market. So if the market is about to begin a new uptrend, if the Dow Jones is about to begin a new uptrend, if the Euro USD is about to begin a new uptrend, these are the best time to swing trade to the upside. When you see the market is about to go down, you will close all your bullish trend, and then you will look for opportunity to sell. So which means you are swing trading to the downside, following the market first. So you trade first the market, and then you trade the sector, and then you pay attention to the leaders in the market. Nearly 2 weeks now, we have been busy saying that we are bearish towards the Euro USD, and we close all our bullish trade in the Euro USD. Why? Because on the weekly chart, the price is at the 76% or 78% Fibonacci retracement level. The Dow Jones has reached a very important resistance level. We cannot afford to be bullish at that point. We cannot. We need to come out of the trend and step aside and observe the price and be busy a day trading. If you disregard a very important resistance level or a very important support level, you are playing just with you are playing with the market. That's not the right way to do it. You need to pay attention to that. That's what we are doing. If you look carefully on this chart, on this hourly chart of the Euro USD, like I show you, the price was going up. Okay, so there was this high here. Okay, what we will do, we'll highlight those high. So there was the price display first this high here. Okay, there was this low here, so a higher low compared to this low. In the uptrend, the price might display higher lows and higher highs until it failed to display a new higher high. This is the definition of the uptrend. And then we have a higher high, okay, and a higher low. Okay, the price staggered a little bit, went down, We will pay attention to this zone. This is the kind of weakness, and then the trend resume again in this zone again. Okay, the difference between this high and this high is significant. Okay, now, and then the price display a very beautiful new high, excellent bullish momentum, confirming to us that the trend is quite strong. So because the high here that they display, plus those weaknesses that we have observed here, okay, the price display a significant new high. Okay, but when the price is going up, what do? Because you're on maybe 60-minute chart or 50-minute chart, your eyes must be on the higher time frame, on the weekly chart, on the daily chart, on the monthly chart, locating the resistance level so that you do not bump into a resistance zone and the price turn around. That's why a lot of new traders are doing. They are taking their signal on the lower time frame and they say, I just want it simple. I don't want to know. I don't want to work hard. I just want to take my signal and let it work for me. So you buying and you don't know that right here there is a resistance about to happen. It's like driving and not willing to see a little bit further up. Okay, you want to see a little bit further up to know what's happening. Okay, so if you see some congestion or something happening, you slow down. It's the same thing like trading. So when the price is going up, you buy. You are paying attention to what is ahead of you, which means paying attention to the resistance level. Same thing when the price is going down, you are paying attention to the support level. So when you are approaching a key support or a key level or a key resistance level, you pay attention to that. Okay, it's like you come into a corner. Okay, you slow down because you want to know what's going on. Okay, so the resistance, the support level, and the trend line are your corners, like when you are driving also. So you slow down. Okay. But if you are trading and you don't want to know about those things, I think you should learn to do it properly. Okay. So now the price display a new higher high here and plus a new higher low. Okay. This high compared to this high, quite high. Okay. Now look carefully here, and then the price display this high here. This high here compared to this high, what's the difference? No big difference. This is a weakness. This is a weakness. Look at the previous high. Okay. This high here and compare this is a significant high, new high. But look at the new high here. This high here is telling us that the price is not up for it, so to speak. Okay, it's not serious new uptrend. Okay, new high. Okay, and then there was this high again here. This is not. There's no big difference again. This is a weakness in this uptrend. We will pay attention to it and acknowledge it. Here again, look at this. All this same zone. Okay. What we're going to do, if we draw horizontal line through all this new high here, look at this one. Okay, I'm moving my things. Okay, and then this high here, look at that. Okay, they are almost the same here. Look at that, all the same almost. And here also there's another one, almost the same zone. Talking about zone. Okay, and this one here, almost the same zone again. So clearly here, looking on this hourly chart, there is a weakness being developing on this Euro USD currency pair. The same thing we have observed for the Dow Jones. Okay, the same thing we have observed. So that's why we are waiting for the TSTW S08 trading system to give us a clear-cut swing trading to the downside. We want to sell the euro, we want to sell the Australian dollar, US dollar currency pair, we want to sell the Nasdaq, we want to sell stocks until the price or the market itself is telling us otherwise. Okay, but right now that's what the market is telling us. So we are just obeying the market that there is a weakness in this zone, which means there are some people selling here. So somebody sold it here, the price went up, people try to push it back, the same people sold it again, try to go down, they bring it up again, somebody sold it again. It's not going down by mistake. Look the way it's going down. It's big size. Okay, so somebody try again very bullishly to bring it up, somebody sold it down again. Now again they try to bring it out, somebody sold it again. The market is telling us something is going on here. Do not bring it further up, bring it down. That's what the price is saying now. Bring it down, bring it down. Obey that. Okay, just obey the price and follow the price. Do not try to force, okay, the market. Okay, just obey the market. You see, it's telling us I want it to go down. But some people, they don't understand the language of the price. Boom, 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 boom. They hit the wall, they come back. I hope they are taking profit. If they are taking profit, that's fine. Now they bring it up again. Here, boom, they hit it again. Try to bring it up, they hit it again. Now they try again today, they hit it again. Now, this is about the language of the price, okay? Because if you go to France, you need to speak French, okay? If you go to whatever If you come to London, you speak English, okay? It's just the same thing, okay? You go to United States, you speak American, okay? Just communicating with the price itself will give you a lot of advantage. This is it. So you see this. This is today's session, okay? This is today's session here, okay? As soon as London open exactly here. You see here, you hit it, boom, back down, okay? Yesterday again, London open here. You see exactly here when London open, when I place my cursor, down again, okay? Day before it was bullish. When London opened somewhere here, it went up, okay? But the price is weakening here. As I'm speaking to you, it's coming down right now, okay? Now, looking at the price, this is today's session. Yesterday's session is this session. The price went down and went up, okay? Day before, the price went down, went up, okay? Went down, went up, okay? Today, it tried to go up, it's going down again. The market is getting weak here. It does not mean that the price will definitely change direction completely, but right now, looking at this information that we have, that's what we see, okay? So what I will do now, I will remove my thing. Another point I want to make is that yesterday, okay, the President of the United States has made a speech to the Congress, okay? This speech is very important for the market, and the Wall Street will not try to sell the market down. There was a time before when there was this G20 meeting and all this meeting, and the market was due to be sold, and we told traders that we are looking for opportunity to sell, but the market continued to go up because the Wall Street is respecting Washington, okay? So they don't want to upset Washington, okay? Because they had to work together, okay? So they cannot sell the market down when the President of the United States is about to make a speech to the Congress. That will be very bad, okay? So they can't, they show a bit of respect to each other, okay? So now the speech, it has been made now to the Congress, so the market can move on and do their own thing. So that's the point I want to make to you today, that when we are expecting very major, important political news, political speech, okay, either the Fed, either the President, either a Prime Minister is about to speak, either there is a very important meeting, okay, in China, in Japan, or whatever, that's very important, going to concern, the market will pay attention to it. That's what they do, because these people are dealing with a huge amount of money, and they want to know what is going to be in that speech, okay, yesterday. So the speech is done, okay? Talking about London time, we'll say yesterday, the American will say today, okay? So the speech is now finished, okay? So the Wall Street can continue with their normal business, which means we were looking since last week to sell the market down. We will see whether the market will give us a clear-cut swing trading, repeat swing trading, sell to the downside. That's what we are looking for. For day trading, you just need to follow the price, okay? Just follow the price. That's what I'm talking about. Day trading is different when we are talking about it. So I'm going to quickly move to my favorite intraday daily chart, the 24 hours intraday chart, which is 1440 minutes, okay? This is what we see on this chart, okay? Now, if you pay attention carefully to the white horizontal line here at the bottom of the chart, there's a white horizontal. I hope you can see on screen. And this one here, this form a channel. The price went up from here all the way up here. That's one movement, okay? And then retrace back down to this yellow horizontal line. Now it went up again to the same side. If you look at the size of the yellow channel, pay attention to the yellow channel, these two yellow horizontal lines, my favorite color, compared to the white channel, they are almost similar size. When a price displays this kind of movement, we know that the price, this level here is what we call overbought zone, okay? Projecting the channel to the other side. One channel has been developed, the price pulled back, starting a new channel. We will measure the size of the previous channel and project it to the other side. I'll show you many times before in some of our videos where we talk about the trading the channel, okay? So we project the same channel. In this case, some traders will project it from where the white horizontal line is, but because the price retraced back down, okay, giving us the ABCD pattern, the ABCD pattern, we will draw the second channel from here to the other side, and the market has hit that level today, okay, of 13722, in the region of 12722. This is excellent place if you want to sell with a tiny stop loss, okay? So if you knew this before and you know this level, you project your channel already, you will sell here. That's why some people did. They will sell with a tiny stop loss, 30 pip, 30. So you are selling at the edge of the yellow channel with 30 pips on the other side, willing to be taken out if the market is about to go further up. But this level of 13722 is a very important level right now. Okay, we can call it a kind of a psychological level that the market will pay attention to. The 13722, we will watch it carefully. If the market goes above the 13722 and the final support above the 13722, we will be bullish. Okay, and also if it remains below the 13722, that's bearish. We will continue, as I'm speaking now, looking for opportunity to sell. This is regarding the projection of the channel, okay, how you can use it to trade like a professional trader. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video also, that you will put it into the practice in order to cream the market consistently. Thank you for watching, and speak to you soon. We are the TST WSYS 08 traders.